Build a dam in the wilderness, and the world will beat a path to it. For many centuries, this was a lonely canyon, unseen and untouched by man, scorched by a desert sun, scolded by an angry river slashing its way to the Mother Sea. Now it lies peaceful and silent, except for the gentle hum of a hydroelectric power plant, the bubbling up of water as it leaves mighty turbines, the cheerful sounds of America and the world on the move to see this pioneer multipurpose reclamation project man built in Black Canyon. Millions come to this once desolate spot to see this engineering wonder, to hear the story of Hoover Dam.
See all the jet skis and stuff. Just stood in the middle of that. Arizona this side, Ben.
¿Quieres solo? ¿Quieres querer? ¿Quieres solo también?
Arizona, Nevada. Ben's in Arizona and we're in Nevada.
I'm in Arizona, and now I'm in Nevada. I'm in Arizona, I'm in Nevada. I'm in Arizona.
Today, President Franklin D. Roosevelt dedicated the day. On the terrazzo floor you are standing on, embedded with the dedication date. The timing for creating the celestial chart, according to the artist, was that he believed
It's very long and tall.
This what?
Very narrow. Constructing the tunnels took almost as much time and money as the dam itself.
Then why is it here?
This is like the museum of it. You can.
It's hard because it's such a small thing. Small man.
But pretend that's a turbine spinning round, yeah. Spins a magnet, which then lights the light bulb. This is like what inside the generator's like.
Yes.
See, this always spins.
Yeah.
From here, you'll get a spectacular panoramic view of Lake Mead, the dam, looking 4 feet across the top, with only only 78 feet across the base. It looks somewhat like an upside-down pyramid. This massive arch state of Connecticut is 10 feet deep. The body of water in front of the dam is called the tail bay, or tail race, but in reality that's the Colorado River. This is where the water is drawn from hundreds of feet below the surface of the lake to give us a spectacular panoramic view of Lake Mead, the dam, the Colorado River, and the bypass bridge.
Construction of Hoover Dam began in 1931. The structure was dedicated in 1935. Revenues from the sale of power have paid back to the federal treasury with interest the entire cost of the project. The reservoir created by Hoover Dam is named Lake Mead.
These are fancy.
Bit of a fancy toilet, isn't it?
Say yeah, Have a little pop on your bed. You smell it down like a telly. She can't hold my foot. What's that about?
Car from New Hampshire.
So you won't fancy falling down there, would you?
Yeah, but I'm sure if you could like.
That is massive hole. That's a spillway.